Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video and review today of rexbeads.com. So I did a review of their website last year, and they have some amazing African beads. And Jake from Rex Beads reached out to me this week and asked if I would do a review of some of their new fancy glass line, and I was like, yeah, for sure. And they also offered us a coupon code. So if you see anything you want today, you can use code Turquoise.Street at checkout for 10% off of anything on their site. But I'm going to be featuring today just the fancy glass strands, and I looked on their website and they have such beautiful stuff. So I'm excited. I don't really know what's in here other than it's fancy glass. So let's take a look. Oh, there's quite a bit in here, so let's see. We got wrapped in bubble wrap, and this is an Arizona company. They're in Surprise, Arizona, so it's like pretty close to me. I thought that was cool. It got here really quickly. So let's see. In this, oh, okay, so we have two strands. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So I got one strand of something like this a few months ago that I haven't used yet, of course, but they didn't have as much detail as these. These are pretty. So look at the like delicate scroll work or flowers or filigrees or whatever those are on there. And then there is a twist of red and blue, and then they're separated by these little glass donuts. This is a really pretty strand, and that's really pretty cool. I love yellow and blue together, and it's almost like a muted, this is more muted yellow, like a mustard. It's really pretty. All right, so that's strand one, and then here's strand two, same strand, but just a red, and it's gorgeous, and then it's got like a burnt orange red donut, like glass bead in the middle. Same red and white. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. You guys know me, I'm gonna have a really hard time using them, but I want to use them. I want to make something. So if you buy them, I can show you what to do with them. But they're so gorgeous. Like I would just string this and wear that as a necklace because it's so pretty. Like if this had a clasp on it, I would just wear it. It's gorgeous. Okay, so those are the first two strands. Let's see what else we have in here. Okay, so there are three strands in this baggie. Look at these. So these are black and red and white, which are super classic. You can use that with any design. Oh, I love that. And then they're like smoky gray glass beads in between, and a couple pieces of brass on the strand. So that's pretty cool. Again, all of these can just be their own necklace, and I've kind of noticed that with the more high-end, nicer African beads. You really just want to focus on those, but these are really gorgeous. So we have black and red, and then we have the same design. We have the same design in green and red and orange, little discs in the middle. Those are gorgeous. So this is like opaque black, and this almost is a translucent green, so you can kind of see some of the layers there in the glass. Those are so pretty. Those are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then this is a different style. This is a blue style, but it's a different pattern. I've almost bought these a couple times, and I'm so happy to have some in my hands. And this is a rare color. I don't really have a lot of blue, like this cobalt blue in African beads, so I think that's really gorgeous, and I love that design. And then we have some, I think they're glass in the middle. They could be vinyl separators, spacers. Those are really nice. And then we have one more bag. It's a fast video, but they're such gorgeous beads. So this bag has another one of these strands in the green, which I told you guys I'm coming up with this apple green. I'm like obsessed. This is more chartreuse than apple, but it's still really pretty. And then we've got some beautiful white glass beads in between. Love those. I love those. And then We have another one of those glass strands from the beginning with all of the detail. This is a beautiful teal green, like teal. It's like a cross between teal and hunter green. It's really gorgeous. It's more on the teal side, but it does have a lot of green on it. These are really pretty. I hadn't seen these before today. Those are really nice. And then last but not least, we have some of the French cross type. Oh, this is my favorite style. These are gorgeous. And that's all glass. It's not paint. As much as I understand, I think it's glass that they put on top of the glass, not like a paint, but I could be wrong. And then it has some little pink glass spacers. This is so pretty. Look at this strand. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I love it. I don't know which one's my favorite. I like this style a lot, but these, I think this yellow one, they're also gorgeous though. I think this yellow one and this green one are my two favorites. Don't worry, I'm not hitting them hard. It's just making a lot of noise. These two are my favorite, quickly followed by these two. But they're all so gorgeous. So again, check out rexbeads.com. You can get 10% off your entire order. And I think they offer free shipping at like $100. But 10% off your entire order if you use the coupon code Turquoise.Street. Tell me what you guys would do with some of these, because these are gorgeous and I'm going to have to use them in my designs soon. Stay tuned. I don't know. I'm a little overwhelmed. Thank you to Rex Beads, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye.